Hello Universe, this is Eliana Marie Aduana, your Miss Universe Philippines in Alaan, Laguna, and welcome to 10 Minutes with Diana here in Northern Samar. Yeah, sure. Kumusta po? Yeah, sure. Very Gen Z, Game.
Okay.
Thank you guys. Thank you.
Kurang ka.
Balato ko
Yes.
Oh, ito
Magkano?
May balato ako dito.
Meron. Cha-ching! Charot. Oo nga.
I-send ko sa kanya yung Gcash ko mamaya.
Magkano? Tikma magkano ba? Tikma magkano?
Bigyan mo kami
Wait kayo.
Ah.
Group 3. Ikaw may sabi ko.
Totoo.
Diba?
Hindi, tandaan mo, hindi kanina.
Group 3 daw. Group 3.
Dapat.
Mas love mo?
Wala.
Oo, tama. Equal lang. Sorry.
Kaaway ako.
Hi guys, I'm talking to Lexi now.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
Maririnig nila lahat.
Bibigyan niya ako balato.
Oo. Ang dami pala natin talaga. Kita ba tayo sa frame?
I don't know.
The red apples and the green apple. Tinan mo yung gabi yung pagkatan nila.
Sino? Okay.
Diba? Pasok pa raw.
Hihingan ko balato to eh. Balato. Balato dalawa.
Sandwich. Parang hindi.
Alright, we will request the ladies to sing Thank You Northern Samar and a video will be played. Okay? Thank you Northern Samar.
Mabuhay! Thank you!
Mabuhay! Ano sasabihin daw? Thank you, Northern Samar.
Love MU.
Thank you, Northern Samar! Safety daw. Si Lexi daw yung nakabike dapat.
Dako masalamat. Dako masalamat.
Damo na salam.
Dako.
Dako. Dako nga salamat, Northern Samar.
Sasayaw ko to dalawa.
Dako masalamat.
Ito talaga si Wendy's. Dako nga salamat, Northern Samar. Nga salamat, Northern Samar.
Okay, another line lang po. Mabuhay. Love Northern Samar. Love Eastern Visayas. Love the Philippines.
Aha, anda daw? Mabuhay.
Okay, let's revise the lines. Wala na Eastern Samar. Let's commit Eastern Samar. Eastern Visayas. Within love Northern Samar. Love the Philippines.
Dalawa lang. Love Northern Samar.
Ganun. Mabuhay! Love Northern Samar! Love the Philippines! Eh yung...
Wala iniwan mo ko.
yung ikaw lang yung nakagana.
Okay, we will now proceed with the photo opportunity with our gold ticket holders. We do it per
Table?
sponsors now. Okay, we do it with our sponsors first per table. Please come forward, sponsors per table.
Sa Netflix mo.
Sponsors per table. Okay, para daw po mas mabilis, we do it 2 tables per photo opportunity.
Ano sasabihin mo sa kanila?
Magandang gabi. Maraming salamat sa
Maupay.
panonood.
Maupay nga gabi. Sabatiin mo sila.
Ano yan?
Maupay nga gabi.
Gamay chicken parmesan.
Ano daw?
Crab.
Ilang islands na puntahan nyo? Today ba?
Kasi, kaya pa dito?
Oo. Or kahapon yung island tour?
Hapon Island. Kasi today we stayed in Piri.
Theory.
Which is also an island. Yeah.
Kami kanina lang nag-island eh. Saan nga ba yun?
Today bumalik kami sa mainland. Tapos naghanap kami ng parang punta kami na ibang bayan.
Kami more on the, municipality tour. Tapos Mapanas Island kanina lang din. Tapos inulan nga kami eh.
Oo. Pero naglaro pa rin.
There also rain dun sa island nyo. Nag-ulan din sa island nyo.
Ito yung mga baby sharks.
Oo, yung mga baby sharks. Wala.
Ganun yun. We're supposed to be here.
Hello!
Okay na, I was sunny the whole time.
Ah, talaga?
Yesterday, mainit.
Oh,
Alright,
like
another
ngayon,
set of
kanina.
sponsors. Please
Mas
come forward.
kanina.
Hindi mo kahapon Minsan kasi yung ganun tayo na ganun, tapos
Ah, yeah. Mas lapot ako kanina. Akala ko tayo lang yung nagaganon. Sila din pala.
Ano nagagalit? Di ba lang kailangan?
Oo.
Hindi ko nga yung kulay ko halos.
Ako din. Ito nga, difference ng
Oo. Feel ko ito man din. Kasi ito maputi.
grabe din.
Kasi nakashirt.
Sorry.
Tayo roommate tayo. Hindi kami roommate sa Boracay. Sabi niya, buti na lang. Hindi ako makakatulog.
Wait, merong rooming na ba?
Alam ko lang.
Kanina malalaman, rooming.
Di ba makimputi na?
Oh,
Hello.
How are you? How have you been?
I'm good. Wait one second. Can I help
Okay.
you?
Yeah, sure, of course. I miss you already.
How are you? Did you have a good trip?
Oo.
Yeah, was it
kanina.
good?
Pero inuman kami sa island. It was raining hard on the island when we went there. So we had to wait for the rain to die down
Talaga?
before we can head back to the city.
Did you wait a long time?
Probably around 30 minutes. Good for
Okay.
eating time.
Fine. Okay, that's good. Yeah, we had to wait because there was a low tide, so we had the same issue in the evening.
The same.
But yeah, it was good, naman.
But it was great. I mean, we had so much fun then
Yeah,
with our...
I was so
Tapos
happy.
our trip kasi was more of a parang municipality tour to meet and greet with the people. So it was great.
Oh, that's good. We had quite similar one. So I'm glad you guys were able to do island hopping too.
Oo, pero
that's
more of like an island visit. Kasi it was just
fine.
one island.
Oh, it was just
Pero
one.
it was good. Tapos the
Yeah.
food there was good.
Oh, that's good. Oh, that's good. Yeah, I feel like I've been eating for like
Oh my
days.
God. I swear.
Yeah.
No restriction here in Samar.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And we have the last batch of our gold ticket holders. Please come off stage.
Ay, ticket holder ka, ma? Mama Kids, ticket holder.
Thank you guys. Thank you guys. It's been more than 10 minutes apparently. So I'm gonna return back
This is
the
our
microphone to
last
Kuya
batch of gold
and
tickets.
hope to be with you in another 10 minutes soon. Bye bye. God bless you always.